Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your default microphone in Windows 10. This is super useful if you have multiple mics connected or if your computer is picking the wrong one. Let's go ahead and jump right in. First, right-click on the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, down here in the taskbar. Now click on Sounds. A new window will pop up. In that window, click the tab that says Recording. Here you'll see a list of all the microphones connected to your computer. You should see your USB mic, built-in mic, or headset mic, whatever you're using. Now I'm going to choose the microphone I want to set as default. Just click on it once to highlight it. Then, click the button at the bottom that says Set Default. Once you do that, you'll see a little green check mark appear next to the mic. That means it's now the default recording device. You can also click Properties if you want to rename it or adjust volume levels. But for now, we're all set. Once you're done, click OK to close the window. And that's it. Your microphone is now set as the default device in Windows 10. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, then like, subscribe and comment if you faced any problem. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comments section. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.